Okay guys, we are here with the one and only Kendall Evans. She's like the
Kendall Heights too.
Oh, I forgot she got married. But she's the OG of the Habit models. Okay? She's been with us from day one. So we're bringing her back. So we're going to talk about today the 5 do's and don'ts of habit extension methods. This is very important because a lot of people don't understand these things. They always have questions about it, and you want to keep your extensions like healthy and shiny and soft for however long you can before you have to redo them. So the number one don't of extensions is don't put yourself in windy situations. A lot of people come in and they are like, I don't know why my hair is so ratty. I don't know, it's just crazy. And it's just like this big old ball. And they're like, oh, I went on a long motorcycle ride, or I went scuba diving, or I went on the lake. Like, you gotta make sure that if you're gonna be in somewhere that's so like windy, you wanna make sure you braid it or something to where it's not gonna get like a rat's nest. Like, you don't wanna come in and have to have it be brushed out for hours. Like, it's just not comfortable. And so that's the number one thing. Also, another don't is a lot of people wash their hair because it's so thick, they go to bed with it wet. And that is a big don't, because then it's gonna get also matted because it's all wet and you're gonna be sleeping on your pillow, especially if you're like a crazy sleeper. Like, you don't wanna make it like a rat's nest right there, you know? So that's another don't. Also, another don't is you wanna make sure, like a lot of people use a lot of dry shampoo. Like, they think, my clients are like, oh, hey, you know, like, I don't wash my hair that much. Why is my extensions not lasting very long? Like, I don't understand. Like, and I'm like, okay, what's your routine? And they will say, okay, well, I wash my hair like only once a week, and then I use tons of dry shampoo, and I sweat a lot, but I don't rewash it. Like, I just soak it with dry shampoo. Well, what that's gonna do is
don't do it.
That is gonna make your extensions so dry and brittle. Like, you wanna stay away from that for sure. Also, another don't is you don't wanna go in the ocean a ton or any salty situations. Like like swimming in pools, like too much chlorine can also dry them out a lot. So you wanna avoid that for sure. Another don't is crappy shampoos. Like, a lot of people think that, oh, they spent all this money getting these wonderful, amazing extensions, and and then they use crappy shampoo, which can dry them out, not get enough moisture to them. And you gotta remember that extensions are not coming from your head, so your natural oils are not getting all the way down there. So you gotta make sure that you don't use crappy stuff. Okay, now we're gonna talk about the 5 do's.
Ooh.
The 5.
I like those better.
The 5 do's are: make sure you get a great wet dry brush and you brush it often. A lot of people will get their extensions, like there's rows in here, and you wanna make sure that you're brushing them a lot, because you wanna make sure that they don't get matted in between. So brushing them a ton will help so much. And people think because of all the different kinds of extensions there are, you're not supposed to brush other types very well, but these you wanna make sure you brush a lot. Another do is make sure you use good products. We're obsessed with Isle's Curl Revive, and it's a leave-in spray, and it'll make your extensions stay so soft. So it has a definite do, and you put it in your hair when your hair is wet, okay?
Definite do.
Another definite do is like to be hairdo, you know?
Doing your hair?
Yeah. So another definite do is using good shampoo and conditioner. Isle's number 1 and 2 are the best ever, and it keeps your hair so soft.
So soft.
And it just makes them last so long, don't you
think?
think?
And it smells so good.
Yes, that's a good, yeah.
That's a plus.
You want to smell good for sure. So another do is you want to make sure that you a lot of times that helps so much is get a silk pillowcase.
Ooh.
Like anything silky is amazing, but like silk pillowcase for your hair, it's like makes it just so silky. So that's another deal. Another do is you want to make sure that you try to dry the base of them as much as you can. Like in here, a lot of people dry the end so much, but this part, you want to make sure you get really dry in there to make sure they don't get matted as well. So there you have it. That is the main 5 do's and don'ts of habit extension method. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
Like this video.
And 2 thumbs up.
2.
Not 1, but 2.
2.